Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Cart Multi-Vendor Seller Ads Booking add-on. Now allow your sellers to advertise their own products using this add-on. Sellers can pay for a specific time period and can add their advertising banners on the website as required. The admin can create two different types of ads, that are the text banners and the graphic banners, and can set the price for each that would be applicable to the vendors there. The admin can add multiple ads for bookings and can make them available for the vendors. Redirecting URL functionality is also available that makes the banners more effective there. So all in all, this particular add-on allows the admin to create an advertisement for any desired time period with suitable price as required. The admin has the control for setting up the ads anywhere on the storefront as per the layout that has been selected by the admin. The admin can create the ad text and the graphic ads as required. Also, auto approval option for buying and updating the banner at the admin end, and much more functionality is being provided within this particular add-on there itself. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular add-on, that's the CS Cart Multi-Vendor Seller Ads Booking add-on, and I'll be showing you the initial configuration settings that are required for this particular plugin, and I'll also be showing you how the ads can be created by the admin, how the admin would be able to view all of the seller ads that he has created, how he can see the active seller ads and the booking history for the ads. Apart from that, we'll also be seeing how the vendors can buy and edit the ads as required, and how the ads would then appear on the storefront. So right now on the storefront here we have the seller ads booking section, as you can see, and within this particular section on the left hand side I have set up the what we see as the ads booking view here. So after we are done with how the vendors will be able to buy and edit the ads, at that very moment I'll take you to this particular section once again to show you the ads, how they appear. Both of the ads, I'll be showing you both the graphic ads and the text ads as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So very first thing that we'll be seeing is the initial configuration settings first. So for that, we'll go to the admin backend panel and tap on the sign in button after entering the email and the password there. So after we have logged into the admin backend panel, we'll have to navigate to add-ons, and other add-ons we'll have to go to the manage add-ons. Here we have to search for the ads. So here I'll be entering ads, and here we have the particular add-on that we have already installed within our CS Cart store there, that's the seller ads booking, and it allows you to create text and visual ads anywhere on the storefront there. So from the drop down here we'll tap on the settings option, and here we can see that we have different check boxes here for the different options like buy, update, renew, and the others as well. So for the auto approval for the buying, if the auto approval is checked or this particular checkbox is checked, then the vendor doesn't require the admin approval for buying a particular ad there from their own account panel under the vendor account there. Then similarly, if the auto approval is selected, then the vendor doesn't require the admin approval for the update of the ads. And then we have the renewal of the ads or auto approval of the renewal of the ads. So if the auto approval is checked, then the vendor doesn't require the admin approval for the renewal of the ads there. We also have the option to enable multi-language image URLs. So this option allows the vendors to add image or text and URLs in multiple languages for the same ad in the case of multilingual site. And then we have the reminder days. So here you have to enter the number of days to notify vendor for the seller ads before expiration there itself. So after making these configuration settings, here you have to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. Now coming to the section how the ads can be created by the admin. For that we have to go to marketing, and under marketing we have the seller ads booking. So here you'll be able to create graphic and text seller ads that can then be placed on the storefront. So let's go to the seller ads booking. So under marketing we have the seller ads booking. If it's the first time that you're coming to this particular section, then this section would be empty, but right now I've already created a few seller advertisements. As you can see here, I've created text seller ads as well as graphic seller ads as well, and I've set the booking price and the booking period for each, and from here I can activate or disable these ads there as per my own requirement. Now on the marketing and seller ads booking here page, you can see that we have the all seller ads on the right hand side. Under that we have the active seller ads. So right now there are no ads that are active for the sellers, and then we have the booking history that shows the booking of the various ads that have been created and purchased by different vendors there. So right now under the booking history we have the status as booked and expired. So we'll see that in a while from now how these section show the appropriate updated values as well. So under the all seller ads we'll find the complete ads there. Now to add a particular advertisement, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add seller ads on the top right hand corner, and that will bring up this particular section here. So here what you need to do is you need to give the name of the ad there. For example, test banner ad. If you want to add some description, then this will describe the property of the advertisement, which will help the seller to know more about the advertisement here. So you can set up the seller ads description as well, set the position of this ad. Now here you can choose the seller ad type. So here you can choose graphic seller ads or text seller ads. If I choose text seller ads, then we can set up the text for the description there. Otherwise we can go with the graphic seller ads as well. If you want, you can upload an image for the graphic seller ads as well. So here we have the graphic seller ads and the text seller ads. In the case of the graphic seller ads, you'll be able to allow to open in the new window the redirecting URL. So whatever URL that you have set up here would be for the image itself, and tapping on the image would redirect us in another window into the URL that we have entered here within this particular section. Then we have to give the booking price. The booking term can be as predefined. If it's predefined, then you can choose between 15 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Otherwise, if it's manual, then you can set up the number of days of the booking term. Then we have the subscription, whether you want to have the subscription as one time or repetitive subscription there. And lastly, we have the status as active or disabled. So from here you can easily create any of the text banners. So let me show you once again. Let me go back once. So I've already created a graphic seller ad here, seller advertisement ad. I can edit it, delete it, or check the booking history for the same. So for now I'll be editing it up. So here you can see that I'm giving the name as seller advertisement 1. Seller ad type is graphic seller ad. The image is there. I have not added any URL there. I've set the booking price there. Booking term is predefined for 1 year, and the subscription is one time, and it's active right now. Now if I go back, if I go open the text seller ad here and edit it up, here we also have the same description like the name. The seller type ads type is set as text seller ads. I've set the booking price. It's predefined for 1 year. Subscription is one time, and it's active right now. So that's how the admin can easily create the ads from the admin backend panel by navigating through marketing and seller ads booking. Now let's hop on to the vendor end and let's see how the vendors would be able to view and buy and edit the ads as required. For that, let's log into the vendor panel by entering the email and the password and tapping on the sign in button thereafter. Now the vendors will find the ads under marketing. They'll find the seller ads booking, and here they can create the graphics and text seller ads that can be placed on the storefront. So if I tap on that, here I'll find all of those ads that the admin has created under the admin backend panel. All of those would be visible here to the vendor as well. So to give you an example of how to buy a particular ad and how to edit it as per the requirement there. So let's go with the graphic seller ad. That's the seller advertisement number 1 for booking price 123 and booking period is 12 years. Now the vendor needs to view it up. After viewing it up, we can find the details here. As you can see, the name is there, the seller ad type is there, the booking price is there, the booking period is there. Now to buy it, here we have a buy now button at the top right hand corner. To buy it up, I can tap here on the buy now button and I'll tap OK on the prompt there, and this would buy this particular ad. Now if the auto approval is set there, then automatically the booking would be automatically approved. As you can see, the booking has been automatically approved. Otherwise the admin have to manually approve the booking from the backend panel there. Now after we have purchased it up, you can see that now we have a save and a close option for this particular advertisement. That's the seller advertisement number 1 that we had created as an admin, the seller advertisement 1. Now if I go to the back end here, if I go to active seller ads, you can see the seller advertisement 1 is right now active because the particular seller has purchased it from the vendor account panel there. So that's why it's showing under the active seller ads. And if I go to the booking history as well, the same would be visible here, seller advertisement 1. You can see the booking date is there for today, the expiry date is there, the booking price is there, and from here we can edit it up as well. If I want, we can edit it up. And from here as well, if the auto approval is not set for a particular booking, then from here we can approve, deny or cancel the booking as well, as you have seen as required there, and then you can update the particular booking as per the requirement there. So what you need to do is you need to go to the booking history. For the booked one, you have to tap on the edit option, then you have to scroll down, and here you have the option to change the booking status to approved booking, deny booking or cancel booking as per your own requirement there. Now let's go back and let's go to all seller ads once again, and now let's go back to the vendor account panel. So now this ad we have purchased, now we can save and close it out, as you can see in the top there. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be adding one image from the local server there for this. So I'll just go ahead and I'll be updating one image for this. It will just take let's upload this particular watch image, and let's set the redirect URL as this, and let's tap it on the save button. So we have saved this particular booking now. Now if I go to the marketing and seller ads booking, we can see the seller advertisement 1 has been booked by us, as you can see here, and if I want, I can view it up, and we have added one image to the same. So this is the particular ad there. Now let's close it out. Now if I go to the front end, now to the left of the seller ads booking here on this page, let me refresh the page once. You can see the particular ad is visible, and you can see that this particular image is clickable because we had set the redirect URL there. Now if I tap on this, we'll be redirected to the particular page that we had set up, that was webcool.com. So we have been redirected to the webcool.com page there. So that's how we can easily create the text banners or the graphic banners from the admin backend panel, and we can set them up, and the vendors can purchase them as per their own requirement. And after purchasing them up and setting the image and the redirect URL, those ads would be visible on the layout that has been set by the admin on the front end of the store there. So we had set it up here under the banner, under this particular section. We had set it up here on this section itself. Now let's go back, and now let's do one thing. Let's deactivate, or let's keep it active there, and let's go with the text seller ad. So under the vendor account panel, here we have the text seller ad, because this is the marketing and seller ads booking section for the vendors. This is the vendor account block. So I'll be purchasing this one as well. That's the text seller banner, and I'll tap here on the buy now button on the top right hand corner for the text seller ad itself, right? So let me go with the seller advertisement 3, and let's buy it out. And after buying, we'll have a save and a close button here. So it will just take a few seconds there. So we have a save and a close option. So now here I can enter the description. For example, this is a test text banner with image, and let's add an image here. You can also insert a video as well if you want, and insert with an image, all right. Here we can see the booking price as $145, the payout ID is there, the booking period is for 1 year. And now let's save this particular one, this text banner from the vendor's end. The booking has been approved automatically there. Now let's come back to the front end and let's refresh the page there, and let's see how this appears there. So now here you can see that here we have two different ads. This is also a graphic ad, and this is the text banner with image that we had added. So that's how this particular add-on allows the admin to create multiple ads from the backend and display the multiple ads on the store front end as well. And that's how the buyers can buy and edit the ads as required as per their own requirement there. So all in all, this add-on allows you to allows your sellers to advertise their own products using this add-on, and the sellers can pay for a specific time period and add their advertisement banners on the website as required. So yes, that was much about this particular add-on. That's the CS Cart Multi-Vendor Seller Ads Booking add-on, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.